What are you gonna do with them, Mama?
Get your cameras ready, ladies.
Come back here, you flea-bitten monster!
Hey! I get it, little guys.
Leafy, get up! Leafy, get up! This isn't funny!
Whoa, there's lots of trash. We better help clean up.
Yeah, we should.
I can sense it. I can feel it. I can smell the crisp autumn air. Whoa!
Oh, great. And all the grass around me just died.
Well, you are pretty stinky, golf ball.
I just want to keep Ice Cube safe from that sort of behavior.
Hey, Fries, I bought some boiling frying oil so we can finally do some deep-fried breath.
Listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain #1, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Shh! Don't touch that.
What if I add back the original BMTI as a prize?
Maybe we should switch back.
I won't.
What? Why not?
Ford has reinstated the prize after we thought it was gone for good. He has betrayed our trust. How can we know he won't just change the prize again and again and again?
Yeah.
Stanley! Stanley, oh my God! Baby! Oh, you're okay!
Hey, Mom.
It's all right, Stanley. We're gonna go home and talk about this with your dad, and we will get through this as a family. Come on, get in the car. Stanley! Stanley, oh my God! Baby! Oh, you're okay!
You have the spirit of a leader, Fanny, and I admire that. But do you really think 2 is doing any better? Think of all the time we've spent waiting to compete. The promise of limitless power dangling over our heads. We're dying to get started.
Well, why didn't you say so? Hush now, I'm talking. Anyways. It's time for cake at steak.
Aha, I remember it.
I said it's time for cake and steak! Get them up for me, Nickel.
Huh?
Never mind.
The cake this time is Donut's corpse, chopped up into 18 little pieces.
That's kinda gross.
Don't worry, he's been recovered and returned to the TLC.
No, I mean the cake is gross.
You should be more thankful for what I give you.
Hurry up.
Okay. We received 7,104 votes, which is the most ever.
Yeah, whatever. Get to the important stuff already.
Okay, Puffball won the prize again.
But I was supposed to get the most likes. I built Dream Island.
Well, the competition did come down to the wire. Look at these wires.
Oh, I wanted Rocky to win. He might have gotten his barf back.
Wait, you want Rocky's disgusting barf back?
Yeah, it was cute, don't you think?
Can you spin it for me, Book?
Sure.
What does that mean? You can choose one contestant to lose their limbs. Can I give myself limbs? No, that would be breaking the rules. Well, I don't really want to make this decision. You must! I'll go for Pin because she stabbed my speaker box.
What? But it was an accident.
Good choice.
It's almost like having limbs.
Puffball, what's your secret? Every time your team has been up for voting, you've won the prize!
Wow.
Now it's time for the elimination. For once, you won last time, so you get donut chunks!
I can't catch anything without my precious arms.
You'll get used to it.
Moving on. Gelatin, you only received 105 dislikes.
That seems like a lot.
Well, it's the fewest out of everybody, so be happy.
Do I not look happy to you?
No, you look insane. Tennis ball, nickel, and ice cube.
Yes?
What? You three are also safe. Along with Ruby, Rocky, Puffball, and Firey.
Hey, Donut's blood tastes pretty good!
That's because it's cherry filling, not blood.
What? I'm in the bottom 6? That's impossible!
Yuck, that was like so disgusting.
Spongy better be eliminated. I can't stand him anymore. Actually, Spongy is safe with only 198 dislikes. So is Book, with only 207.
Am I also safe?
Yes, you are. Only 213 people voted against you.
Yay!
Fries received only 235 dislikes. So now it's down to Match and Golf Ball. What? Why do I keep getting so many dislikes? I am the leader of my team.
OMG, OMG. I have like never been so scared in my life.
It's okay, Match. Remember, GB is a bozo brain, bossy bot. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see what the fans have to say about the two of you. Epic Faceness 483 says, yeah, now that I think about it, Match isn't lazy. She's just selfish. I wish I could dislike twice.
Oh, like, no. Just no. You did not just, like, say that.
Yeah, Epic Face, don't insult the Match. You are no match for the Match. Pokemon Fan 12 Full says, Golf Ball has to go, because I can't stand any more bossing of the Bossy Ball.
But if I leave, the whole world will plunge into chaos! Just think about it!
That didn't happen last time. Sugar Boys 13 says, I like Match because she's is awesome.
Yeah, see? Like, someone knows what they're talking about. Good job, Sugar Boys.
Ringo Bingo 1510 says, why does Golf Ball have to be eliminated so early again? She's one of the funniest characters on the show. Thanks for the compliment. But my main goal is not to be funny. It's to keep order and peace so that our team will excel the victory. Time to show the votes.
What? Quick, Fence, activate the elimination prevention plan.
Okie doke. Just like the race for the prize was so close, so was the race for elimination. It switched hands 3 times.
Goodbye, Match! Your elimination will be beneficial for our team!
Yay!
Looks like you're having fun, Spongy!
I feel so super fantastic!
We've already heard that before, Barfy!
Wait, hold on. I feel good because the water inside me is warm.
Oh?
Yep, this water is warm. Like, really warm.
Yeah, and it's super soothing.
Barfy, what's your point?
Donut, lakes don't get this hot without a reason. We could be near a Firey recovery center, maybe? Or something worse?
Like what?
Time for cannonball number 3. Time for cannonball number 4.
I mean, we could be next to a volcano. Imagine that. Lol.
You're joking, right?
Yeah, of course. No, of course not. Run!
Up there! There's the hole we entered from!
Bomby, that ain't a problem. See? I nailed that jump.
That's enough! I'm not letting Spongy get used as a disposable tool once again!
I always like deep-fried donuts.
Gelatin, that's a little insensitive of you!
Dark humor is the way some people cope with tragedy.
There's no time for this, we gotta run!
So now that I got a translated headband, it's time for the fans to listen to my voiceover. Oh no.
Oh no, I forgot about the lava ceiling!
I don't want to be scorched!
Cloudy, you gotta turn around! But the stomach's empty!
Well, not if he gets a refill.
Oh, did I just hear you volunteer yourself to get eaten?
What? No!
Alright, Rocky, you heard him. Don't chop that nickel!
Yeah!
Ow.
Hold on, what is this?
What? Why are you fighting these guys alone? We're supposed to work as a team, remember? Because my haters ruined my partner's life, so I had to go on a rampage and beat up those 4 bosses myself. No, listen to me, Leafy. I know you're upset at your haters, but you can't just fight the bosses alone by yourself. We have to work as a team and fight the bosses together.
Holy moly!
We made it out alive, Jelly!
Oh yeah!
Thanks for the ride, Spongy.
I told you, there's only one seat.
Oh my collagen! There's an emerald right next to 4. Let's go get it!
Yeah!
Here!
Impressive. You found an emerald before X did. Team Ice Cube is safe. What? It happened again?
Wait, does that mean I can do the same thing? Here?
Amazing! I'm blown away! The losers are safe! Unbelievable! With 5 teams safe, it's down to B, Toro, and Ians to get those last 2 emeralds!
Guys, the lava level is still rising. Is this concerning? I think this is concerning.
I totally deserve this treasure! Black hole, you're strong! Open this jar for me!
I don't know. That sounds like a bad idea for me to do that.
If you don't help me open it, I'll crush you!
Well, yeah, but like, I'm already infinitely small, being a singularity.
Just do it, black hole!
Okay.
Yes, it's working!
Flower, what is that?
I got this jar open!
Annoying, harmful, random, useless, insignificant, loser.
Stop! What do you want?
Hold up! What did 4 say we had to do?
We have to return a basket back to X.
Okay.
I got it! We found the last emerald! So Toro is up for elimination!
Get off my plane.
Now.
All I want is to help.